Let's take a moment to learn from this experienced Springboard educator.
The purpose of family workshops is not only to teach skills, but empower families to know that they too can contribute to the reading growth of their child. Oftentimes, our family come with a wealth of information about their children. This is why it's so important to give space and time to include their voices and ideas. Doing this allows the workshop to be an authentic, safe space for parents. And so some ways that I included voices into my family workshop was one, wait time. Oftentimes I may zoom through the content or talk too fast, and I did not allow my families to ask questions about the topic that they're learning. Oftentimes when I would just stop and ask, do we have any questions? Or I slowed down and I gave them wait time to process the information and gave them space to ask questions, I found more participation from my families, and they felt more comfortable to interject or add ideas when they needed to. So the second thing that I did was I allowed them to be a part of the presentation. So whether it was in my model or maybe just reading a few points on the slides, I allowed them to be a part of the presentation. So this allowed me to not speak the whole entire time. And also that way it doesn't get boring and family also hear other voices as well. And last but not least, I just provided more structured time for them to work with each other, especially doing the independent practice, or maybe doing at the end of the model, maybe they had a reflection question. And I just allowed and gave them space to talk to one another. Families are often the best teachers of each other and they learn so much. So giving them the time to share and offer ideas to other parents is so impactful, and they often learn more than coming from me. So those are just some of the ways that I incorporated family voices into my workshop.